First thing you need to do is get an SD card. Right here I have a Lexar 1 gigabyte SD card. Any size of SD card will work. Then what you need to do is find the slot on your computer where the SD card goes in. In this case right here, it's on the front of my laptop, and the SD card just pops in there. Once you put your SD card in the computer, this should pop up to ask you what you want to do. You're going to want to open folder to view the files. If that does not come up, you can go down here to Start and then find My Computer, and then it'll show all your drives and devices you got. So I got the C drive, D drive, DVD, and there it says SD card, and then you can click on that and it'll open it up. Alright, now that you have your SD card opened, you're going to want to make a folder called APPS. It's apps. This is what you use for your homebrew channel that you're going to want to have all your homebrew applications in. You need the folder called apps because that's what the homebrew channel looks for to find your apps on the SD card. If you don't already have an apps folder, right click, go to new, go to folder, and make one. Alright. Then you're going to want to minimize your SD card once you have that folder made, and go down and open your browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, whatever you have. You're going to want to go to my website, gamingisawesome.wetpaint.com, or you can go to the direct link which is in the description, which will be part of my website. Alright, we're at gamingisawesome.wetpaint.com, my website. Go over here to the search bar and type in Wii, and then click the little arrow for it to search. Pull up, you want to click on the Wii Stuff page. And this page tells you how to get the homebrew channel on your Wii and everything. I paid money to get all this good software and directions and stuff, and I put it on my website so you all can see it free. Here is some good applications for the homebrew channel I have on here you might want to use, but for this you're going to want to get Raw Dumper. Alright, you click on that, take it to the direct download, you click free user, and you're going to have to wait for the countdown. Okay, when you have your SD card open, you go into the apps folder, you want to open up the Wii Dumper thing, the folder that you downloaded, and there should be one inside it that says Wii DVD Dumper. It should have boot.dol, icon, meta, and readme all in it. That's the folder you want. Drag that in here into the apps folder, transfer, and it is now in your homebrew channel apps folder to where you can now play it on the homebrew channel. Once you have the files on the SD card, you can then take the SD card out of your computer and then take it to the Wii. Alright, you're going to want to take your SD card, put it in your Wii, just like that. There's this little flap, there's the power button, reset, and then this little flap door, and the SD card, there's a slot right there, and you put it in there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is go to the homebrew channel on the Wii and start it. Once you're in the homebrew channel, this app should pop up, has a little picture of a Wii, and it says Wii DVD Dumper. You're going to want to click on that and click load. Okay, this black screen will come up and it'll ask you device mode, SD or USB or Wi-Fi connection. If you're going to want it to put your Wii game onto an SD card or USB card you have on your Wii, you want that. If you're going to want it to send over the internet, which I'm going to show you because I don't have a big enough SD card, it has to be 5 gigabyte SD card because all Wii games are 4.4 gigabytes. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to send it to your computer, download it over the internet. So I'm going to pick Wi-Fi connection. GameCube disc, Wii single layer, Wii dual layer. Almost every Wii game is going to be single layer, so you're going to want to push A and select that. And it says insert DVD into the drive. Then in a couple seconds it'll recognize it and it'll say opening DVD disc. Intelizing network, and it'll pull up an IP address right there. I don't know if you can really see it. And that's what you're going to want to go to your computer, and you're going to want to type that in. Okay, I can go on to my computer now and type in the address that it told me to type in, and you'll get this page pop up. It says Wii DVD Dumper, and it says click here to download RHAE. That's like a code for the game, and it's a .iso. ISO is what you're gonna need to use to burn the game to a disk if you're ever gonna burn it, which you probably will since you're backing these up. So you're gonna want to click here to download, and then this will pop up, and you can download the game. You click save file, and it'll start downloading. It does take quite a while, 4 or 5 hours, maybe less if you have a fast internet connection. Mine's not really that fast though. I have wireless internet, so anyway, you can just download this and then you can save it to your computer. You won't be able to open it or anything because computers, or at least my computer, can't open an ISO, so it'll just be an extractable file. Once you have it downloaded wherever you can save it, then you can go and open it. I have mine right here, and it's Wii Play was the game that I had in there. You can download it. After you go to that site and click download, on your Wii it'll show that you're downloading it, and it'll just tell you a bunch of stuff, what it's doing, like sending the game over the internet, where you can download it. When you're going to want to burn the Wii game, you're going to want to get a program called IMGBURN, Image Burn. I'll have the download for it in the description. It'll look something like this. You can use that, and what you want to do is when you have your Wii game up, I'll show you here, you can right click on it, you're going to want to open with Image Burn. Image Burn will open it, and you can see it loads it up here as an ISO. You put in your DVD-R disk in here, and then you click this and you can burn it. Make sure your DVD-R discs are big enough, bigger than 4.4 gigabytes. You can burn it and then play it on the Homebrew channel or whatever ways you have to play the game on your Wii. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.